Hi everyone! Made an awesome AI video using Wan 2.1. Now it's time to export and share it with the world. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you how to download or post your AI masterpiece in just minutes. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is to generate or select your video. Log in to Wan 2.1, then choose from text to video or image to video. And once generated, your video will appear in the preview window. And then after that, hit export or download your AI video. After your video is ready, look for download icon and then save your video in MP4 format to your device. The video is typically HD resolution or under 10 MB. That's perfect for online sharing. Then, if needed, you can edit it. You can use tools like CapCut, Canva, and Filmora for more nicer videos. Then after that, you can share to any platform. You can post to AI generated videos like TikTok that used for trending audio hashtags, so YouTube Short, the Instagram Reels, Facebook, Twitter, and more. You can use hashtags like AI video, hashtag Wan 2.1 to boost visibility. And then the bonus embed or use in projects. You can also add to presentation or use it as a background for a website and include the client work or marketing. And that's how easy it is to export or share your Wan 2.1 AI videos. If this video helped you, hit like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.